Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of an order grabbing website. So now if you also want to make your own order grabbing website, then you are on the right place. Here I will completely show you how you can make your website. So this is the order grabbing website. I will give you the complete demo and review of this website here in this video. First of all, we will look at its amazing homepage, user panel, and then we will open its admin panel and I will show you how you can completely control this website. So viewers, before moving towards the video, I would request all of you to do like the video and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to buy this script or if you need the complete end-to-end ready website, just contact us and we will build this for you. Both WhatsApp and Telegram links are in description. So let's start this video. First of all, here you can see the amazing login page of this website. So here, if user don't have an account, user can register on this website by filling these simple details. So by filling these simple details, a user can simply register his account on this website. So we currently have an account, so we will just go to login page and here I will enter my username. So we can log into our account. So we can log in with our phone number or username as well. So I am logging in with my username. So when I click on login, it will log me in. So here viewers, you can see that we have successfully logged into our website, and this is the eBay order grabbing website. So it is a very amazing website, and let me tell you about the features. So user can grab order and earn money through order grabbing, and you will get the negative balance option as well in this website. So here these are the banners that you can easily change, and if you buy a script, you can we will provide you complete support, and in complete website, if you buy it, we will provide you complete end-to-end ready website with 24/7 support as well, and complete support will be provided to you. And here you can change the banners and insert your own business banners. You can change logo. Here you can see there's a deposit option, withdraw option, and you can see your total account balance over here. And you can see this website is on my subdomain demo2.scriptsmasher.com, so you can confirm it from here. I just installed it to give you all the demo of this website. So if you need any type of website, you can visit our YouTube channel and you will get all type of websites like investment website, order grabbing website, PTC website, task website. All type of websites are available. You can just contact us and we will build what you want. So here let me just start the overview. Here first of all, there is a deposit option. So from here user can deposit money on the website. So you can choose the amount or you can type whatever amount you want to deposit. Suppose I want to deposit $100, or you can change the currency as well. So you can use it in any of your local currency. So currently I'm using the TRX. So 100 TRX. Here's the deposit address. After depositing this money, sending this money to this address, here you have to enter your TRX ID and you have to upload the transaction proof like screenshot. And here click on confirm, and when admin will approve your deposit, so your deposit will be approved and amount will be added to your account. So this is how you can deposit money on the website. Same as the withdraw. So you can withdraw your money from your account easily. Enter your amount, transaction password, and you can withdraw your money. So here you can see your account balance. So here are the different order grabbing plans. You can subscribe this plan according to your deposit amount. Here you can see entry $100 or whatever currency you want to use, level 1 commission, and you can see everything over here. Here you can see all the company profile. User can see about your company profile. Here are promotional rewards, so user can claim different rewards. And here are tutorial section, so you can add your tutorial invitation. So user can see its invitation link, and a user can invite different people using this link and also earn money through referrals as well. So here is VIP events. So here user can see all the minimum deposit and VIP events, etc. Here are financial services. You can add these things, and here are some other features, highlighted features. So here user can see its order grabbing history. Like there is currently one order grab, so you can see the amount of order grab and everything, ID of order grabbing. Here is grab option, from where user will grab the orders. So this is the order grabbing page. User can see its assets, grab total, profit for today, and these are some instruction related to it. So to grab the order, first of all, user have to deposit money, and then user can start order grabbing here. So when I click on grab now, it will start grabbing the order. So you can see we just get the order grabbing, and here we have to claim this amount. So click on confirm, and you can see the amount has added successfully. So order has grabbed successfully to order grabbed, and you can see the profit amount has increased for 214. Similarly, you can grab orders by clicking grab now, and daily is 50 orders. So user can grab 50 orders on its it depends on the balance or plan user have subscribed. So you can create different order grabbing plans from admin panel. So here is a support option. So you can add your live Telegram support, WhatsApp support, or live chat TWAK support here. So here I will go to my section. You can see your invite code, account balance. Here you can go to personal information and see all your personal information like account, and you can change your login password, transaction password, and withdrawal methods. Here's a deposit section. Same, you can deposit money from here, withdraw money from here. You can see all your transactions. You can see your team over here. So you can make team up to multiple 3 levels. So you will see all your referral team over here in this section, and you can also see your referral earning in this section. Here you can download the app of this website. You can see the latest notifications. You can invite your friend, and same as the support option over here, and you can also see notification over here. So viewers, this is all about the user panel of this website. So here I completely gave you the overview of this website user panel, and now we will go to the admin panel of this website, and I will show you how you can completely control this website from the admin panel. So now let's go to the admin panel. So I'm going directly to the admin login page. So I will show you the admin panel of this website. So if you want to buy this website, just contact us. Both WhatsApp and Telegram links are in description, and you can buy this at a very reasonable price from us. So viewers, this is the admin login page of this website. So here I have to enter my admin email and password in order to log in. So I will enter my admin email here, and here I will enter my password so I can log into the admin panel of this website. So when I click on sign in, it will log me into the admin panel. So here, this is the amazing admin panel of this website. We have successfully logged into the admin panel. Viewers, first of all, you can see the total active users on this website. Here you can see the balance of all the users. You can see total deposits, total withdrawals. Here you can see all different users. So here, let me just show you. Here is a user section, so you can see all different users on the website. So these are all the, so you can see website is completely newly created. So there are just 4 user accounts over here. So this is our own account, web1234. So you can edit the user, and let me tell you, here you can change the user balance as well. So you can add balance or subtract balance from user account. So here you can change the balance of user directly from here. So or user can directly deposit on the website, or you can change the balance from here. So you can change each and everything related to user, and you can also change the password of user. So from here you can change the password and all the settings of the user. So you can see all inactive users over here, and you can manage their balances. Here is finance option. So here you can insert your own withdrawal methods. So if you want to insert, you will get the withdrawal request of users over here in this. So suppose a user want to withdraw, and user will send a withdrawal request. After the request will come here, and you have to approve the withdraw, or you can reject the withdraw over here. So currently there is no withdrawal request from users. So when user will send a withdrawal request, it will be appeared over here in withdrawals, and deposit request will be appeared here. So when user will request a deposit, the request will come here, and after verifying you can approve it or reject it. Here are setting options. So let me go to general settings. From here, basically from general settings, you can change the site name from Amacash to your any other name you want. Here you can turn on of withdrawal status. You can turn on of deposit status, referral code required or not, and you can turn these on things on. Or from here you can insert live chat links from here. You can set your promotional rewards, minimum withdrawal. Here you can set withdrawal fees, minimum deposit address. You can give your deposit address from here. Referral level 2, you can set this referral level commissions from here. And minimum order balance permission, per order commission, you can set it up from here, like on each grab how much money user will get. And some notice and withdrawal notice, etc., you can set these things directly from here on, from admin panel. Here you will get all the information about the orders. So you can update your company information, telegram links and notification, etc., over here. Here are the packages. So currently there is one plan on the website, so you can see Amazon one plan. So if you want to insert a new package on your website, click this plus option, enter the package name, amount, return value, and you can set the plan you want to choose in VIP. So you can insert multiple packages plans on your website, and user can subscribe these multiple plans. So this is all about the admin panel of this website. And viewers, if you want to buy the script, or if you need the complete end-to-end ready website, just contact us and we will build what you want. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel, Script Smasher.